Well, today we're ditching the boring and giving your space the ultimate coastal glow up. Let's get into it. I mean, seriously, right? Imagine waking up and just feeling that chill seaside energy every single day. That's the goal here, creating your own personal little getaway right in your own room. Okay, so what even is coastal decor? It's all about capturing that light, airy ocean feeling. And I'm not talking about, cheesy sailor stuff. No. Think more sophisticated, effortless, and just super, super relaxing vibes. First things first, let's talk color. This is probably the biggest and fastest way to totally transform the mood of your room. It's basically the canvas for everything else, so we gotta get this part right. Okay, it's a super simple three-step plan. First, you're gonna start with a neutral base, like soft whites or light grays, because that just opens everything up. Then you layer in those beautiful ocean colors. Think seafoam blue or a soft green. You can do this with pillows or maybe some artwork. And if you wanna try a more modern twist, add a pop of deep green or a dark wood accent. It looks so chic. Okay, next up, let's talk texture. You guys, this is what takes a room from looking just okay to absolutely fascinating. Color sets the mood, for sure, but texture is what makes it feel real and super inviting. For that true coastal vibe, you guys, natural fibers are an absolute must. There's just no way around it. They're what connect your room to the outdoors and give it that authentic, kind of grounded feeling. Plus, they add so much warmth to all those cool colors we just talked about. So think about things like jute, rattan, wicker, all that good stuff. A jute rug under your feet, a cute wicker basket in the corner, or even a cool rattan light fixture. Seriously, these materials are like your secret weapons for getting that perfect, relaxed atmosphere. And the same exact idea goes for fabrics. You want to keep it light and breezy, nothing heavy. Linen slipcovers are amazing for that relaxed feel, and you can never, ever go wrong with crisp white cotton bedding. It gives you that classic fancy hotel by the sea vibe. All right, let's move on and see how this all comes together with furniture. Now that we've got our colors and textures down, we need those key pieces that are really going to define the space and show off your personal style. Okay, rule number 1, comfort is everything. Above all else, coastal furniture has to be comfy. The whole point is to create a space where you can just chill. Soft, slip-covered sofas are perfect for this. They just feel so casual and inviting. And what's cool is you can totally make this your own. If you're into that clean, uncluttered look, you'll probably love modern coastal with really minimalist furniture. But if you love a cozier, more lived-in feel, then a traditional or cottage style with some vintagey pieces is going to be perfect for you. Oh, and one last tip for furniture, don't forget about weathered finishes. When you're looking for pieces, keep an eye out for whitewashed or light-colored wood. It instantly gives you that sun-bleached driftwood on the beach feeling. It just ties it all together beautifully. All right, you guys, now for the super fun part. It is all in the details. We've built the foundation, and now we get to add those personal touches that really make the room yours. So think of these as your seaside sparkle. A cool piece of driftwood, maybe some classic striped pillows, or some amazing ocean photography. But here's the key. Less is more. A few really well-placed items look so much more sophisticated and intentional. And we have to talk about light. Light is absolutely crucial for the coastal look. Try to keep your windows as clear as possible to let in all that gorgeous natural sunlight. And for your actual lights, something like a shell pendant light can be this beautiful, almost sculptural piece that ties the whole theme together. At the end of the day, that's really what this is all about. Every single choice you make, from the paint color to the tiniest shell on your dresser, is about capturing that serene, beautiful feeling of the coast and bringing it right into your everyday life. So I've got to ask, what's the first thing you're going to do? What's that one coastal touch you're inspired to add to your room? Whether it's finding the perfect blue throw pillow or hunting for a piece of driftwood, think about that one small thing you can do to start your room's coastal glow up.